Hey Alma, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Roof Fix SA, because if you type in Roofing San Antonio, these guys show up right at the top, and I can tell you guys are trying to rank for that by looking at your title and stuff like that. So I know you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's really simple. I found out there's a lot of roofers that are just so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I just started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin? I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, great job on the website. It is a very unique looking website for sure. Very high quality, strong font you've got going on here. I like this. Custom imagery the whole way through. Strong colors. You've got a call to action that follows them down. Huge images. This is a beautiful website from a design point of view. Now, what Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking is content. All these keywords, or all this content that you can highlight and read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, and I can only highlight about, there we go, that's weird. You currently have 2142. So you're doing a great job on the amount of keywords. I also see that you are fitting in some keywords here amount of words. I also see that you're fitting in some keywords here. A keyword is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from you. So like San Antonio Roofing Company, for example. I pulled up some you can use. Roofing San Antonio, 1.4 thousand people search this every single month, and you don't have this keyword on your page. Or San Antonio Roofing, you do have this one. You have San Antonio Roofing Company. So you have that on the page twice, 1 out of 2. And then Roofing Company is San Antonio. 1.2 thousand people search this every month. You don't have that. So even just having those 2 keywords, if you were number 1 for those 2 keywords, you'd be number 1 in front of 2,600 people every month in San Antonio who wanted to purchase roofing from you. Imagine how much money that would make, or you would make from that. So you want to just make sure that you have these keywords inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So like instead of image 0613, this could say Roofing Company of San Antonio. But that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy websites though. So you're going to have a lot more power if you have other roofing companies linking to you, versus like having Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool you should check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you have 9 websites linking to you, which is a great start. RoofFix has 145 websites linking to them. If these 145 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would just copy them. I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's really simple, like, expertise, you hit get listed, or you hit add business, or you hit add business. You create a free profile, you put a link in your free profile back to your website, and boom, that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's simple to do. It just takes some time. But once you copy their backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically right here and start getting all the free calls that come with being there. But I still have one more tip for you, and that's how to show up in the map section. If you want to be here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Rocks Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If Rocks Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you today, Alma. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on this homepage. You have 2,100, so you're doing a great job. Just make sure you put keywords inside of your content. Let's see what RoofFix has. Yeah, so you're definitely beating them. Make sure you put these keywords inside your content, these buyer intent ones, and save your images as keywords. Then get the websites linking to RoofFix and get them linking back to yourself, and put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Rocks Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what many people do. If you decide to go this route, The sooner you get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Alma. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you later.